A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there lived two mice, who were best of friends. The country mouse invited a town mouse to pay him a visit and partake of his country fare. As they were on the bare ploughlands, they always used to eat wheat stalks and roots pulled up from the hedgerow. One day, as they were on the bare ploughlands, eating wheat stalks and roots pulled up from the hedgerow, the town mouse said to his friend, "You live here the life of the ants, while in my house is the horn of plenty. I am surrounded by every luxury. And if you will come with me, as I wish you would, you shall have an ample share of my dainties." The country mouse was easily persuaded and went to town with his friend. On his arrival, the town mouse placed before him bread, barley, beans, dried figs, honey, raisins, and, last of all, brought a dainty piece of cheese from a basket. The country mouse was much delighted at the sight of such good cheer, expressed his satisfaction in warm terms, and lamented his own hard fate. Just as they were beginning to eat, someone opened the door, and they both ran off squeaking as fast as they could to a hole so narrow that two could only find room in it by squeezing. They had scarcely begun their repast again when someone else entered to take something out of a cupboard. Whereupon the two mice were more frightened than before, and they quickly ran away and hid inside the hole. At last, the country mouse, almost famished, said to his friend, "Although you have prepared for me so dainty a feast, I must leave you to enjoy it by yourself. It is surrounded by too many dangers to please me. I prefer my bare ploughlands and roots from the hedgerow, where I can live in safety and without fear." Moral: better a little in safety than an abundance surrounded by danger.